My name is John Price. I'm Sales and Design Lead for E.C.D Automotive Design. There are actually some key elements that differentiate E.C.D from other manufacturers out there, mainly our new build process or location, the team that makes these vehicles a reality, and also a very strong warranty behind our product to back it up. During our build journey, our clients will go through a dedicated design phase in which they'll be able to go over all of their aesthetic preferences and practical needs. This way, we'll make sure that we capture their vision in every angle of the vehicle. With a one-on-one build process, our clients will enjoy a high level of flexibility while building their custom vehicles. All of our vehicles are built at our Florida headquarters in Kissimmee, under one roof. This also allows us to have 100% control of the quality that goes into our vehicles from A to Z. Unlike other manufacturers, we do not rely on third-party vendors to complete our custom builds. Essentially, we have each department under one roof, whether it's upholstery to paint to powertrain, that will be exclusively working on your vehicle. The nice thing about our location too is that close to some of the best attractions in the country, whether it's theme parks or beaches. We're in Central Florida, which allows us to have access to the best of the best in the state. Now our team is comprised of 53 individuals, 38 are highly skilled technicians that do the work and putting all these vehicles together, of course, every day in and out. Each individual team focuses on their area of expertise, which has truly helped us elevate quality and master our craft. Now, when it comes to warranty, in E.C.D, we have an industry-leading 2-year, 50,000-mile warranty with all of our new builds. This also speaks volumes as to the confidence that we have in our product and how eager we are, of course, to stand behind it. If there's an issue, we'll be able to either help you source a local shop in your area where you can take the vehicle for diagnostic and repairs, but we also have a master technician on call that will go to your location if there's an issue that needs to be resolved and was not able to be sorted out otherwise. If there's something that needs more attention, we would actually ship the vehicle out to our location, get it taken care of, and then send back to your home or office. We would truly love the opportunity to build your custom vehicle. Over the years, we have built over 300 units, and that number is growing exponentially, and due to the fact that more and more people are seeking out to E.C.D for their custom vehicle needs.